Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to share with you my experience with ClickDesigns, an amazing tool for creating professional designs. Since I started using ClickDesigns, I can't help but be impressed with the quality of the designs I can create. The variety of models available is amazing, and I always find something that fits perfectly with what I'm looking for. Also, the interface is easy to use and I can customize my designs quickly. Another thing I really like about ClickDesigns is quality assurance. They offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means I can try the tool without worrying about losing my money if it doesn't work for me. This demonstrates the confidence the team has in their tool. I would also like to mention ClickDesigns customer support. They are incredibly helpful and always available to help with any questions or problems. I have had to contact them a few times and they have always been quick and efficient in solving my problems. Special 1 payment only. Today $67 only. No monthly or annual fees, unlimited lifetime use money back guarantee in 30 days. If you are not 100% satisfied with ClickDesigns within 30 days, please let us know without questions. Full refund. Email us at support@clickdesigns.com and you will receive an immediate refund. Try it without risk. In summary, I strongly recommend ClickDesigns to anyone looking for an easy-to-use and efficient design tool. With the variety of templates, ease of use, quality assurance and exceptional customer support, you can't go wrong with ClickDesigns. And don't forget to visit our website. In summary, I strongly recommend ClickDesigns to anyone looking for an easy-to-use and efficient design tool. With the variety of templates, ease of use, quality assurance and exceptional customer support, you can't go wrong with ClickDesigns. And don't forget to visit our website, link in the video description.